What's going on, everyone? It's Matt here again with another video. Today was supposed to be the video of the Sigma 5 short shift install on my Mark IV GTI. You guys might have saw the prep video that I posted. Unfortunately, I two-dayed it on Wednesday night, and I was thinking it would be here by Friday. Then they actually changed it to Saturday, and here we are Saturday. It's like 8 p.m. and it never showed up. So Monday's a holiday, Martin Luther King Day, so I'm thinking I'm not gonna have it till Tuesday now, so I wanted to make another video on something. This is a bow I bought here, but this fall I bought it, so I've had it for like 2 to 3 months now, I would say. It is the Bear Cruzer X, and then obviously it's the right-handed one because I'm a righty. But yeah, I haven't really done anything to the bow other than I put this little bow sling here just because it didn't come with one, and that's something that you want to have on a bow. And then I put a kisser button on here and a D loop. Other than that, it's 100% original stock. I have to say, the only thing so far that I've really had a complaint with the bow itself is actually the 3-pin. I think it's a trophy ridge sight, and it's not even so much that it's not obviously not too expensive of a sight. It came as a package bow, and it wasn't a very expensive one at that. I feel like the sight would be good, but it seemed like there wasn't enough adjustment in it to dial in like my left and right exactly, and I don't know. I didn't use it in like too much, so I think it's something that if I get better at shooting and stuff, because this is my first bow, it might end up working all right. But that is something I'm looking to upgrade at some point in time. I mean, like the stabilizer and stuff, it's nothing fancy. It's not like a heavy stabilizer or anything, but the bow itself is real light. I'd have to look up what the exact weight spec was, but it's real comfortable in the hand. It does come with this arrow rest here, which I don't know. I don't really have, like I said, this is my first bow, so I don't really have too much to like judge it with, but it worked good for me. Like, I didn't have any issues with it. I had it in the woods a few times, and there wasn't any problems with it. As far as shooting it, I've target shot with it a few times apart from sighting it in, and the bow shoots extremely quiet for not having any, like, doesn't have any dampeners on. Crap, I completely forget what they're called. Give me 1 second. Alright, so we had a little brain fart there. The limb, that's what we were talking about. I don't have any dampeners or anything in the limb. So with just like the stock silencers here on the strings, I would say it's real quiet. Right now I have it set at about, I would say, probably around 55 pounds, which is on the low side of where I would like to be. And that's just because when I first got the bow, I had it I was actually at like 65 pounds, and it was my first bow, and drawing that over and over, just like getting it set up, I fucked my shoulder up, and I wanted to lower it. So the guy who set it up for me at the local archery shop, he lowered it down to, I think he ended up taking it to 60, and with the way my shoulder was, I couldn't even handle that. So I took it out like another 2 or 3 turns just to get used to shooting it. Got a decent amount of arrow shot through it, and then I ended up bumping it back up a little. Once spring comes, it gets a little warmer. I'm probably going to start shooting more just because I really want to get dialed in with this thing, because I got my first deer this year. It was a 4-point, but I got it during rifle. This coming year, I want to get some doe tags and definitely go out archery in either doe or buck. I'd be happy with either. I'd like to get something with the bow. So I'll definitely post more videos in the future on this bow setup. Not necessarily videos like this, but using it, shooting it, possibly even hunting with it. But for now, this is just what I think about it in the short time that I've had it and the little bit that I've used it. But I would say I think this bow normally goes for around $350, $400, and I got it while it was on sale. It was like $100 off, so I have like, I think it was actually just under $300 out the door. So for $300, a brand new compound bow that has adjustable weight from 5 to 70 pounds, came with different, I think these are cam sprockets or something. I forget exactly what they're called. Comes with different ones of these for the adjustable draw length, which I forget the range on that, but there's a good range for the draw length as well. So $300, I don't think you can really beat that, and it gives you a really good package to start off with. You can always upgrade stuff from there. Luckily, I already had some carbon arrows and stuff, so I didn't have to buy too much extra stuff. I just got a nice release and that stuff. But if I had to give it a 5-star rating, I'd probably give it like a 4, 4.5, and if anything, it would just because the sight on it was giving me some issues, and it didn't come with that sling and I had one of those too, so I kind of lucked out there. Yeah, it shoots straight, shoots quiet. So if you're looking for a good beginner bow package for either target shooting or hunting, I would definitely recommend the Cruzer X by Bear. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you're a subscriber here and you were looking forward to that short shift install like I am, because I'd like to have my car back on the road right now, I'm not able to drive it, that video will hopefully be released Thursday evening. If I get that part Thursday, or whatever day I get that part, it's probably going to be Tuesday. I'm going to release the video that same day, as long as the install goes as planned. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video.